These would be my rules. Rule number 1, you would never run out of food again. Every time you open me, your favorite food would magically be inside. Rule number 2, I would restock myself automatically. Eat everything at 3 a.m.? No problem. I'm full again in seconds. Rule number 3, I would know exactly what you're craving. Pizza, ice cream, leftovers, before you even think it, it's already there. Rule number 4, I would never make weird noises at night. No buzzing, no humming, no jump scares at 2 a.m. Rule number 5, I would keep everything at the perfect temperature. Cold drinks always ice cold. Food never frozen by accident. Rule number 6, I would be unlimited storage. You could fit food for a whole army inside me and I'd never run out of space. Rule number 7, now this is the most important rule out of all. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to get me as your fridge. So be honest. Would you want me as your fridge?